Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. If you're tired of phones that just look well, like every other phone, Samsung might have something that'll catch your eye. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the future with a first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Spoiler alert, this beast is redefining what it means to be a flagship. So whether you're a Samsung fan or just love cutting-edge gadgets, stick around because there's a lot to unpack. Let's go. Alright, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing out of the way. Samsung has always been about pushing the limits, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. It's got a sleek design, powerful internals, and wait for it, a 1000Hz refresh rate screen. Yeah, you heard me right, 1000Hz, but more on that in a minute. First off, let's talk about the build. Samsung's gone for an ultra-sleek matte glass finish on the back, with an even thinner frame. It feels premium, but still durable enough to survive, the inevitable drop on your kitchen floor. And look at this camera bump actually, there's hardly any bump this time. Samsung's done something amazing by integrating the cameras into the back. It's almost flush, which if you ask me is a huge win for design. Now let's talk about that insane display. Samsung has always been a display king, but they've leveled up big time with the S25 Ultra. This baby packs a 6.9-inch AMOLED screen, and get this, it's a QHD Plus panel with that jaw-dropping 1000Hz refresh rate I mentioned earlier. If you thought scrolling through TikTok was smooth before, wait till you try it on this screen. It's like butter on steroids. And yes, for the gamers out there, this screen is going to be your new best friend. FPS games? Say goodbye to screen tearing and ghosting. This thing is built to handle the heat. Honestly, it's like having a gaming monitor in your pocket. Plus, it's crazy bright, with a max brightness of 2500 nits. So good luck trying to use this phone to sneak a glance at notifications under the table. Everyone in the room will know what you're up to. Now, Samsung didn't just slap a crazy refresh rate on this phone and call it a day. Oh no, they went all out with the camera setup. You're getting a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 30x optical zoom telephoto lens. Yep, that's not a typo, 30 times optical zoom. Remember when you used to zoom in on something and it looked like a pixelated Minecraft mess? Yeah, those days are over. With the S25 Ultra, you can practically read street signs from a mile away. Seriously, Samsung has taken zooming in on your ex's Instagram post to a whole new level. And the night mode? Absolutely stunning. Low-light photos look crystal clear, like they were taken with a DSLR. The AI processing here has been cranked up to 11, so even if you're in a dimly lit restaurant, your food pics are going to look Michelin star worthy. So yeah, photographers, this one's for you. Alright, all these specs are cool, but how does it actually perform? Well, powering this bad boy is the Exynos 2500 chip, or Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 depending on your region. It's a 4nm chip that packs a punch. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or pushing the phone to its limits with video editing, it's smooth sailing. No lag, no stutter. It's like driving a sports car on an empty freeway. Plus, with 16GB of RAM and storage options up to 1TB, you'll have more than enough room for all your apps, photos, and 4K videos of your cat. The One UI 6.0 is also sleeker than ever, with improved gestures, better AI integration, and a more customizable home screen. It feels familiar, but just more refined. And now, let's talk battery life. It's got a 5500 mAh battery, which may sound like the usual, but Samsung's optimized it to last longer, even with that high refresh rate display. On a full charge, you're looking at a full day's worth of heavy use, yes, even if you're gaming or binge watching your favorite shows. Fast charging? Absolutely. The S25 Ultra supports 65-watt wired charging and 45-watt wireless charging, so you'll be back up to full in no time. Oh, and reverse wireless charging is still here for when your friend forgets their charger. We all know that guy. So, there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Samsung has really set the bar high, whether it's the immersive display, the powerhouse camera system, or the sleek design. If you're looking for a phone that's ready for the future, the S25 Ultra might just be your perfect match. Now, I want to know what feature of the S25 Ultra blew your mind the most. Drop it in the comments below. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Plus, check out the rest of the channel for more tech-tastic reviews. See you in the next one.